The 2021 Ferrari F8 Tributo N-Largo by Novitec. Ferrari launched the F8 Tributo as the 488 GTB successor in 2019. It came with the 488 Pista's drivetrain and underpinnings, but slotted itself as an entry-level supercar, unlike the track-ready model. German aftermarket company Novitec quickly snapped the 2020 model year of the F8 Tributo and came out with its own iteration of it, which consisted of a body kit, new wheels, an engine tune-up, etc. Seeing the popularity, Novitec came up with one for the 2021 F8 Tributo as well. Now, the company has come another version of the 2021 F8 Tributo called the F8 N-Largo. This limited edition model comes with a new set of wheels, an engine upgrade, and a widebody kit. What makes the 2021 Novitec F8 N-Largo special? N-Largo is a Novitec label that's been used on other builds in the past as well. It denotes limited edition widebody versions for some of the world's most exclusive sports cars. The Ferrari 488 Spider N-Largo had received a similar treatment, too. The N-Largo mods are developed in collaboration with German designer, Vittorio Strosek. The F8 Tributo N-Largo is 5.1 inches wider than the standard car. This includes revised front and rear bumpers, and a new hood scoop. The widebody kit is composed of carbon fiber. In case you're looking for slightly different stuff from what Novitec offers as standard here, you can opt for the widebody version with naked carbon front flaps, air outlets in the front fenders, rocker panels, rear spoiler, and diffuser. The car also rides on new high-tech forged wheels by Vossen. They measure 21 inches in the front and 22 inches in the rear. The front wheels are wrapped in 255 30th section tires, whereas the rear set comes with 335 25th section rubber. For additional downforce, Novitec has installed a ducktail spoiler that works in tandem with the rear diffuser. There's no word on the weight of the Novitec build, but in the standard form, the F8 Tributo weighs 2,932 pounds before being filled up with any liquids. Also, the interior is customized based on the customer's preference. Novitec offers leather and Alcantara options in any color and design you would like. What changes has Novitec made to the F8 Tributo's drivetrain? The Ferrari F8 Tributo comes with a 3.9-liter, twin-turbo V8 mill that puts out 710 horses and 568 pound-feet of torque in the standard form. These outputs are identical to the 488 Pista as well. It takes 2.9 seconds to sprint to 62 miles per hour from a standstill and 7.8 seconds to 124 miles per hour. The top speed is rated at 211 miles per hour. Novitec has equipped two plug-and-play control modules for special mapping for injection and ignition, and also enhance the boost pressure control. Thanks to this, the power output is raised to 808 horses at 7,960 revolutions per minute and 666 pound-feet of torque at 3,100 revolutions per minute. This is an improvement of 98 horses and the same pound-feet of torque over the standard figures. Naturally, the car has gotten quicker, taking just 2.6 seconds to 62 miles per hour from rest and 124 miles per hour in 7.4 seconds. It retains the same 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox. The top speed is mentioned as north of 211 miles per hour. How about the suspension and exhaust system? The aftermarket company has also installed special sport springs that lower the F8 Tributo's stance by 1.4 inches. In case you're worried about the car scraping the ground when climbing up a ramp, like in a parking garage or climbing over a speed bump, you can opt for the optional front lift system for the front axle. With this equipped, your F8 can be raised by 1.6 inches at the touch of a button. Pressing the button again would lower it back to its position. In case you don't, it will automatically lower once it touches 50 miles per hour. The Novitec F8 Tributo N-Largo also comes with a high-performance exhaust system. You can have it in stainless steel or Inconel. Both of these can be had with or without active controlled exhaust flaps. Its two large tailpipes are composed of carbon and stainless steel and are neatly integrated into the N-Largo diffuser. In case you want something even special, you can opt for 999 fine gold plating, which is also available for the optionally offered 100-cell sport catalysts. How much does the 2021 Novitec F8 N-Largo cost? There's no word on the pricing yet, but don't expect it to be cheap by any means. The 2021 F8 Tributo costs around $280,000 in the US. Since the Novitec build is limited to just 15 examples, we speculate it to cost around $400,000. Opt for the additional accessories and equipment and the car would cost in the whereabouts of $500,000.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.